Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Before I get into the Bergen boxing, here's Kathy. Say hello, Kathy.
Hello, Kathy.
And how you doing?
Still having pain.
Well, take your pills.
It's not as bad as it was, but
By the way, very unusual. It's 90 here, and it was 90 in Pittsburgh today. Only 76 in Pittsburgh, PA. And I got a new book here, A Cat Abroad, The Further Adventures of Norton the cat who went to Paris and is human. So it looks cute. And I got a bathroom book. There's the Norton the cat and Uncle John's bathroom reader. Weird stuff in this one. Really more than usual. So...
I'm really upset that we can no longer go to Concord to buy books.
Well, I know, but November they'll be open. You take the bus up and to Diamond Boulevard, and you'll be able to go to Half Price Books. So it sucks, but nothing. That evil Bank America bought the lease out. That's who we have to deal with it. All right, how the cats?
Oh, they're doing okay.
Okay.
I've been sleeping a lot.
Yeah.
I'm really worn out from that.
Well, I wound up staying up till 6:30. I didn't realize it before and my knee went out just sitting in the chair. I didn't even go anywhere except once to go to the bathroom. My knee decided you can't walk on you anymore. So, all right. Well,
What the doctors told me I've never had before. It's almost like the infection bypassed my urinary tract and went straight to my kidney.
well, it's maybe something you ate, the dish wasn't clean, or I don't know. Or you picked it up from the toilet, who knows?
My back does, and the guy said, "No, your kidney."
Remember, Maroney got sick with that abscess and his kidney screwed up. That's how he went up in dialysis. You got to be careful about that sort of stuff. Take the medication. And, don't eat. Make sure you have clean dishes, plates, bowls, forks, all that stuff when you eat. It could be food related, too. You don't know.
When I first went in there, I was in much worse shape than I am now.
Yeah, well, I heard. You should have heard her scream, folks. It was something. Anyway, I got to let you go. I will talk to you a little later. I'm going to do this, and then my friend Mark Shaw, the writer, he's going to be on Coast to Coast tonight on about Dorothy Kilgallen. Oh, by the way, February, if I haven't told you, I'm going to UFOCon in South San Francisco. I already talked to the person who runs the event, so I'm going to that's the end of January. It's a very weird 3 days at the very end of January. Very weird time to have a convention, but
I am so glad. I am looking forward to the end of this month.
well, I hope it gets cooler. All right, I'll talk to you later. I love you, and give my love to the kitties. How are the kitties?
They're okay.
PetSmart has a cat house. It's in the shape of a giant spider for Halloween. It's $30. Looks really creepy.
Yeah, well, this month has just been a nightmare for us. I'm concerned.
Okay,
Things have happened.
let's talk about that privately. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.
All right, I'll talk to you later.
Okay, there's Kathy. Now to get to what I was going, we have here. I walked outside. I got absolutely soaked. I need a haircut. Fed the cats, and went to Taco Tuesday at the Mexican restaurant. The guy was so busy he couldn't bring me water or salsa. Every time he turned around, somebody wanted food. Tonight, the place was packed, and the Dallas Cowboys were beating somebody like 28-0. Preseason, but it was a rout. Okay, here we have Bergen boxing from Portage, Michigan. And I've already opened this up because I want to test it out. And they give you a fake $100 bill, which is kind of neat. I wish it were really a $100 bill. This is this fake money they sell online, and it sure looks real, I want to tell you. So, and I don't know how it says play money, but they take out their signature here on the right, but they got the Treasurer of the United States on the left. How do they get away with this? I don't know. But you can see the back. This looks like a real 100. And I've seen these sold on eBay and Craigslist, and they say you buy them for so much. They say you can use this anywhere but in an ATM machine. So I don't. And there's obviously no threads in it, but it sure looks real. That's kind of cool, though. Looks just like a $100 bill. All right, here's what here. I said I've got all these alien heads, and well, go with the alien heads. I have to have the alien money clip, and so there it is. And I found something I would really like, but it's $500. It's the Roswell edition. It's a cat tree with alien heads on it. It's all green. The whole thing is green. And there's a video on YouTube showing this. It's from HollywoodKitty.com. A $500 cat tree. Custom made. So this is kind of cool. Although I wish they'd made the eyes green, but so that's now the one thing. I had more money before I ate this thing. It's hard to open at first. If you have a lot of money, it's very tight. If you have a little bit of money, it's not so tight, but it works. So, oh yeah, there's the back. So you can see how this thing is made. And more stuff's coming in the next week. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, the one, the only, the authentic, the original, the real, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy substitutes, commentators, imposters, copyright infringers, or trolls. Have a great night. Stay wet, warm, dry, and definitely cool wherever you are. And Kathy is getting better, but she asked me twice a day, is it every 12 hours? I said, yeah. Well, I have to take it at 2 a.m. Do I take it at 12 noon, 2 o'clock p.m.? I said, yeah. So that's it. And she's not as bad as she was, but you heard her. It must have gone right to her kidneys. I don't know what she had, what kind of weird urinary infection bypass of the urinary tract, but this must be some kind of weird bug. All right, Mark Shaw on the Coast to Coast AM. Listen for him as he talks about Dorothy Kilgallen. Have a good one, people, and stay cool. Bye-bye.